everyone! Hello, my awesome DIY army!
And welcome back to Fashion Attack.
I am Micol, and I am an Italian interior designer, YouTuber, and DIY queen. Yeah, I self-crowned myself. Get ready to have fun, be creative, and get inspired. Join me on this DIY journey as we build, refurbish, and design some of the weirdest and wildest furniture you have ever seen. So come along with me and hit that subscribe and bell icon to stay up to date with the best DIYs and home makeover tips. I was trained at the Marangoni Institute of Design, but I actually studied fashion design. I very quickly became the face of the DIY column on Grazia, an Italian famous magazine, talking about all the tips and tricks to DIY everything that is in trend. Please subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all my DIYs and renovations, and do not forget to leave me a comment with what you would like to attempt, to test, to try. All your DIY dreams, I'm gonna make them come true because I read all your comments. DIY has never been so much fun. Now let's go see the results.